welcome back to Ayuko Dee channel, and thank you so much for always coming to watch my videos. In case you are new here, welcome, and kindly consider subscribing. For the new subscribers, welcome home. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for keeping in touch. So on today's video, guess what, my people? We're gonna make one of the best seafood. Okay, I won't mention which seafood is this. Yes, it is a fish, but I will let you to tell me at the comment section which type of fish is this one. So we are going to cook a marinated fish, and we are going to make it as natural as possible. So don't expect too much of spices. We are going to do as natural as possible. And please, if you're watching this show for the first time, do me this one favor. Just hit subscription button and turn on the notification bell. Guys, please take me to 1000 subscribers before the end of December. I will really appreciate. And most importantly, don't forget to like this video. Let's take this video to 20k likes, and most importantly, subscribe. Support your young girl here. Okay, here in Kenya, this food is mostly found in Nyanza. Uh, in Nyanza side here in Kenya, and Nyanza people really appreciate, really take this food with, it is really special to them. I mean, so they handle it with the, how can I put it? I know. I don't know how I can put it. I can put it, but it is so special to them. It is one of the best street food here in Kenya also, like seafood. We have tilapia, we have omena, we have so many. And actually today we are going to marinate one. I believe we're going to enjoy this vlog. So, and let me know what you think about today's video. So let's meet in the kitchen. Bye bye. We'll first start by washing the fish. We'll dip in a clean water. As you can see right now, we are dipping on a clean water. We bought it from a market and it was really fresh. And once they remove scales, those market people don't have time to wash the fish. They just peel off the scales, yeah, and they just sell to us directly. So we before we cook, we just have to wash again. Yeah. Done washing the fish, and as you can see, it is really clean. No particles there, no remains of scales. It is really clean. Since we are going to marinate our fish today, we just have to cut like this. Yeah, is the way we are doing here. We cut the pieces, then we marinate later. This is to help it, like, to stick inside when we are marinating, so that, yeah, it can stick inside. I don't know the right term is which one, but yeah, you can help me there at the comment section. Yeah, I believe you're gonna enjoy this video, my people. Yeah. And what do you think, which type of fish is this? Okay, I won't tell you which type of this your fish is this, but I will let you mention at the comment section. So the ingredients which we are going to use to marinate our fish are only two. As you can see, we have the ginger and the garlic. Let me know if when you marinate at your home, do you use this garlic? Do you use ginger? Just be free to share with us how you do in your home. Yeah. And here I have with me the mortar. The mortar is here, and the parcel. We are going to grind them. We are going to grind them by help of pestle and mortar. So I'm going to peel off the garlic and the ginger. By the way, this is my first time making the marinated fish. I've never eaten before. This is going to be my first time tasting it. I believe it's gonna be delicious. Let me know if you've ever tasted the marinated fish. Yes, for me, I've never. This is gonna be the first time. I'm putting here my hand so that to avoid this thing to split out. That's why with the help of my right hand, and I'm using my left hand now to put this thing like this. Tell you, when you come here in Kenya, there is a place called Kisumu. Like, this is the favorite meal in that place. Like, in each and every street, you'll find fish. But the funny thing about this is, like, when you go around Lake Victoria, those are small kiosks that you see over there. When you go to buy, you are being told, like, okay, this tilapia fish goes for 350. I mean, it is not realistic. The ocean is just there. The kiosk is near the lake. Then someone is telling me it is 350 shillings. That is it 3.5 US dollars? Yeah, that's so ironical. But this is the best. This is one of the main food they take in Kisumu. So, Nyanza people, let me see your thumbs up over here and the whole of Kenya and my other fans. I believe you will enjoy this today's video. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, do me this one favor, do subscribe. So, yeah, enjoy with me the video. The cooking of the one of the I can say the Kisumu street food and favorite meal here in Kenya generally. Especially when you mix with ugali. Hey, ugali. Hey. You're gonna eat to the fullest. You can take even 2 kg of ugali. You know me, I can eat half kg of ugali with fish. Hey, look at me now. Hi. Yeah, our knees ready. So our paste is ready, guys. As you can see, it's really ready. The paste is ready. Yeah. So we can just with us we have fish masala, and we mix together. Now that we are done applying the fish masala and salt on the fish, let us now apply the paste on the small cuts we've made on the fish, and that is called marination. We are done marinating the fish. So I don't know why I'm like my tongue wants to say chicken. It is not chicken. I think because it is my favorite meal. By the way, comment down your favorite. Yeah, your favorite food is which one is for me? It is chicken. Okay, so I'm done marinating the fish and I'm going to put it here. Forgive me, I forgot to buy a foil paper. Is it an aluminium foil paper? But no. So what is the next option? Just use a tin, then put it inside a fridge so that we ensure the marination has really penetrated the fish. Come close and show them. Even cooking is a form of an art, so you also have to arrange well, just like that. Now, let's put it inside the fridge. Like that. Now that we have put our marinated fish inside the freezer, we are going to leave there like for 30 minutes. I think we are by 30 minutes. Now it will be ready to fry, you know. Please let me know how you do this thing in your place. It is good to share ideas. Yeah. Other side, as you can see, I've placed cooking oil and onions on a sufuria. It is well clean. So on this other side, I'm going to cook Sukuma wiki, the kales. So we wait until it turns golden brown. Now we put this Sukuma wiki. Wow, the ugali is ready, guys. It's really ready. Are you salivating? Are you salivating? And we have not yet even cooked the fish. Ish, can't wait for the fish part. we are now at the final part of cooking. As you can see, I have oil here, and we are waiting it to really get hot so that we can deep fry our fish here. Let me know if this is how you normally do in your places. Wow, look at that. Just by the look, it is so delicious. Nice. This is so sweet. Ish. Let us meet in the next video. Bye bye. I love you all.